one, so yeah, so you can do background. But we're gonna be doing this. Okay. Meh. Oh, that was wimpy. Give all you got. Wait, no, I messed it up. I can't do it right. I need my friend to do it. Jesus! 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 Java! Jesus, Java! Yeah. WTF! Oh, it's just so adorable. It's just, it's just so adorable. You know what? You know what? You know what? Cha. Meme. Boom. I won't even embarrass Java. God, wait, why did you have to remind me? Java's gonna be embarrassed. One little tail is aiming. Dot dot dot. Don't pick up the goats. Don't pick up the goats. No touch. Bull. Poor Azzy. Poor Azzy. Oh my god. Like, so I was just like, give me more. Give me more. It's either Chara or something. Yubby. Everybody's dead. There must be some type of justice in the world. Can't let Frisk get away with it. What can we do? I'm going to get real and why is Sarah such a crybaby? Hey, pine tree. Meet my kid. Yes, Bill Cipher. Bill, Child, Undergirl, Gravity Falls. It's from Zombie Tale. I know Zombie Tale from anywhere. Here's... Oh my god, oh my god, eyes move. Holy crap, I thought I was going crazy. That's one way to deal with Bill Cipher. My friend just wants more memes. More Chara memes. Nope. You hate pasta? How could someone say they hate pasta? No, little Rousey! Little Rousey! What the heck? Don't Rousey? How to curse? What? Who taught Rousey how to curse? Who? Chris. The cooler Chris. Gasp! Oh, that's adorable. Adorabiscutify! Wait, that's how it goes! You na na you you na 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 the cool holy crap, oh Chara, you did it. Dead. Oh my god. Welcome to the world. Pokemon, blah blah. They call me Professor blah blah blah. Now, tell me about you. Are you a girl or a boy? Eh. Chara! Chara must die. Lol. This is... I can illegally say the F word. I may be younger. I actually have that meme. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. Oh yeah, I'm talking. Please, I'm talking to my girlfriend. Just like saw this, like, noticed that I was talking to other people. Just like, Maddie, who are you talking to? No one. I want Char to be the melty face thing all over my toast. Who needs cheese when they have toast? It's not funny. It's not funny. Yes, it is. Oh my god. I know that one. I know this one. I have that one also. Oh, I fell into a... No, I'm just fine. Oh wait, I fell into a sarcasm. No, I'm just fine. And my bones aren't broken. Wait. Oh, having such a good time down here. Dude, you okay? Dust. Dust everywhere. I think Chow has shut up. No! Oh, I can't even understand that. Flowey. This is cool. We live in this. How am I even supposed to understand? Oh, wait. Oh my god. Okay, so the thing is almost over. I have only 3 more minutes. I know how to count, y'all. I don't count you guys. But I do count how many subscribers I have. And I don't have that many yet. What the? There were 2 different things. Holy fucking crap. Don't hurt me. Pet pet. No. Yeah. Lol. Lol. Yeah, that's what you had to say instead of saying, oh my god. You. That's what it would actually look like. It's like dead. This is Chara now. Galaxy Tail. Magnolia Part 2. Oh my god, I've seen that so many times. I need to save it. Oh. 1 more minute. So I'm gonna ferry you guys off with a farewell with this. I'm waiting for the time. Okay, I guess it's not time yet. Like, and then it just turns off. Why? Why? I don't sip Frisk or Saiyans together. But not even tutorial. I just said tutorial alone.